And to do a problem like this, the easiest thing would to remember your properties of exponents. But let's say you do not remember your properties of exponents. So therefore, we need to break it down into very simple terms. All right? Yes? Stephen, is there a question? OK. So let's just break this down into very simple terms. Let's first say we forgot the properties of exponents. Very common, and when you're taking a test, you can just kind of forget. So, or if you do think you remember, but you want to check your answer, we need to remember what exactly does x squared mean. And more commonly, students remember 3 squared. Well, remember 3 squared, yes, we know it's 9, but how do we get 9? It's 3 times 3. Therefore, x squared is x times x. All right? For instance, the same thing, 3x squared is 3x times 3x. And since I'm on a roll, I might as well do the next one. 3 plus x squared equals 3 plus x times 3 plus x. I'm going over this just because I see this as a very common mistake that students make. A lot of students want to do, oh, 3 plus x squared is 9 plus x squared. No. You have to use FOIL to do this, which would be 9 plus 6x plus x squared. All right? You'd have to do FOIL for that one. But just remember, whenever you have anything squared, it's multiplied by itself. So let's rewrite this out. 3 times x squared would be x times 5. And then x cubed then would be x times x times x. Everybody agree with me? The next thing about multiplication we need to remember is 5 times 4 is the same thing as 4 times 5. Right? So does it really matter what order I multiply these? No. So why don't we multiply the numbers by each other and then do the x's? Now, I think in simplistic terms, this makes a little bit more sense. 3 times 5 is 15. X times x times x times x times x is x to the 5th power. Therefore, the properties of exponents tell you when you're multiplying two exponents, you keep the base and add the exponents. OK? So there you go. Ta-da! All done.